time to head over to Medhair and general and theory weather forecast. Paul Dennis.
Good night, Peter. How are you? Tonight, rain in the southwest becoming fairly widespread, although parts of the northwest will stay mostly dry. Windy too over the southern part, with fresh to strong westerly winds developing, while overnight lows will range from lows of 2 to 7 degrees, coolest in Ulster towards dawn there. Tuesday will start wet over much to the south and east, but drier to the northwest, with just a few showers and some sunny spells, and this will gradually extend to all areas during the morning as the rain clears eastwards. Winds will be fresh at times near southern and eastern coastal areas during the morning, but easing light and variable everywhere by evening, with highest temperatures there of 6 to 10 degrees. A further band of rain pushed into the southwest though towards evening. On Wednesday morning, rain will linger in the north and northwest for a time before gradually clearing northeastwards by afternoon, while widespread drier conditions with a few sunny spells will develop across the country. But a further band of rain will extend over the southern half of the country by evening. Highs on Wednesday of 10 to 14 degrees in moderate fresh west to southwest winds, backing southerly and easing light in some midland areas by evening. On Thursday then, after a mostly dry start, rain will push across the country with some heavy falls once again. Quite mild though, highs of 11 to 14 degrees in light to moderate southerly breezes. Then on New Year's Eve, Friday, a mostly cloudy start with patchy effects of rain in the west, becoming more widespread during the afternoon. Very mild once again with highs of 12 to 14 degrees in moderate southerly winds. Saturday then, New Year's Day, starting dry in the east, but rain in the west, spreading across the country, becoming heavy at times in the southeast later on the day, before clearances, showers, and some sunny spells follows from the west. After another very mild day then for Saturday, with highs of 13 to 15 degrees, as fresh southerly winds gradually moderate. And now your serious forecast. There is a gale warning in operation. The meteorological situation is at 9 p.m. A broad and complex area of low pressure at several centres is situated across the North Atlantic. Ireland lies in the light to moderate northeasterly or variable airflow, with a depression of 980 hectopascals centred approximately 300 nautical miles west of Valencia, and that is tracking towards Ireland. The low, which is also in fronts and strengthening westerly airflow, will track across the country, south of the country overnight. The forecast from Wicklow Head to Roche's Point to Loophead and for the South Irish Sea. Winds westerly force 6 to gale force 8 and gusty imminent. Soon easing west to northwest force 4 to 6. Later backing south to southwest and easing force 3 or 4 before further backing south to southeast and increasing force 5 to 7 by the end of the period. And the forecast from Loophead to Rossing Point to Fairhead, winds east and northeast force 2 to 4, imminently backing northerly, soon becoming anticyclonic variable force 2 to 4, later becoming southerly and gradually increasing force 4 or 5 and occasionally force 6 by the end of the period. And the forecast from Fairhead to Carlisford Lough to Wicklow Head and for the North Irish Sea. Winds easterly backing northerly, force 3 to 5, soon backing northwest and increasing force 5 or 6, later gradually backing northwest to west and gradually easing force 2 to 4, before further backing southerly and increasing force 3 or 4 by the end of the period. And the weather on all Irish coastal waters of the Irish Sea. Persistent and locally heavy rain imminent, soon gradually becoming cloudy to fair with isolated showers, later becoming mostly cloudy. With visibility on all Irish coastal waters in the Irish Sea, moderate to poor rain precipitation and mist, otherwise good. There is a warning of heavy swells on the southwest coast for a time on Tuesday evening, and the outlook for the third 24 hours. Strong to near gale force winds developing in southern sea areas on Tuesday night, with fresh to strong south-southeast winds elsewhere. By Wednesday afternoon, winds across all sea areas becoming mostly fresh and occasionally strong southwesterly. Weather, rain becoming widespread with locally heavy on Tuesday night, becoming cloudy to fair on Wednesday before further outbreaks of rain developing in southern sea areas on Wednesday afternoon. And now to your 11 p.m. coastal reports. Malin east, southeast, 7 knots, cloudy, 7 miles, 987, steady. Boy M5, west, northwest, 11 knots. Visibility at Tuscan Lighthouse is 9 miles, 987, rising rapidly. Roche's Point, west, 4 knots, east, 3 miles, 987, rising. Valencia, south-southwest, 5 knots, cloudy, 8 miles, 985, steady. Belmullet, east, 3 knots, cloudy, 8 miles, 987, steady. And finally Dublin Airport, north, 6 knots, cloudy, 10 miles, 986, steady. That's all from me. Have a great night.